right, so now that I got the engine upright on the desk, I'm going to put the clutch in. Well, first I'm going to put the shift shaft through, put all that on, and then get the clutch on there. Now I got the clutch in the bike. I got the starter clutch in the bike. I got the cylinder on here, cylinder gasket, 2 dowel pins are all in there. So what you want to do before you put the cylinder head on is you want to align this T-mark right here on the crankshaft with the crankcase, just like that. And then while it's in that position, you want the first cylinder, which is number 1 over here at top dead center. This one's going to be at top dead center. So this is where you want to be when you put the camshafts in, once we put the head on there. That's coming up next. When I measured all of these valves, they were all in spec except for this one intake valve on the end, which measured out at 0.279 millimeters, and the top clearance is 0.20, and it had a 198 shim in there. So what I wanted to do is go pretty big on the side of it. I was thinking about doing a 205 and bringing it down to 0.207, but instead I got a 210 shim to bring it down 12, which is 1.152 millimeter. Goes under there. All right, so the cams are all timed and set. Tensioner is released, chain is tight. Coming up next, what I'm gonna do is put the valve covers on there, slide the engine up underneath the frame, mount it up, and then from there, fill it with some oil, fill it with coolant, double check everything, put those throttle bodies on there, connect all those hundreds of connectors, and then from there, we'll give her a crank and see if she purrs. Let's go!